Today, let's ditch the boring bases and take a spicy trip to Andhra Pradesh. We're making Moong Dal with Gongura. Think of it as comfort food with an attitude. A lentil dish that will wake up your taste buds faster than a Telugu rap battle. Gongura leaves add a tangy punch that's like a monsoon cloud bursting on your tongue. But hey, that's just Andhra's way of saying welcome to the party. So ditch the takeout menus and whip up this Moong Dal magic with Gongura. It's easy, delicious and guaranteed to put some Andhra fire in your belly. Craving more culinary adventures? Delishup's got over 350 recipes from all corners of the globe. So grab your apron and get ready to spice up your life. And tell us in the comments which state should we conquer next.